Just one step at a time, now in the right direction. Gonna aim for the sky, keep my feet on the ground. Raise my voice to the heavens, make a joyful sound. It's a joyful sound. I cannot play for my rent. Well, I know it sounds funny, but it's how my time spent. Read every day with full purpose, now with passion and pride. I'm going to follow my heart and have nothing to hide. Now a moment of days that I know I am here. You know the time just stops to see it all real clear. Gotta set the example, make some mischief and fun. Gotta do unto others, play a man base run. Pull the fear and negativity and lay them to rest. I know my time here's important, can I do the right thing? I practice patience and forgiveness, feel the joy that they bring. Yeah, can I lay down tonight without a feeling regret? You know the love that you give becomes the love that you get. Hey, what I'm saying making any sense to you? Come on now. Come on and sing too. Here we go. Na, 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 na. Joyful sound. Na, 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 na. Wanna write some kind of lyrics, sing a feel-good song. It's kinda hard to explain, it's just this feeling I get from making